Hello everyone, welcome to Electronically Connected. In this video, we will be moving forward with arithmetic operations of a binary number. What we will be discussing in this video is how to add two binary numbers and also how to subtract two binary numbers. We will discuss what are the rules behind the addition and subtraction of the binary numbers. So let's get started. Let us first understand the basic rules of a binary addition. We have two digits in the binary. We have 1 and 0. We need to add 1 and 0. So let's see what are the rules behind the addition of 1 and 0. So we have four combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Here we have two columns. Here we have my sum and my carry. So when we add 0 and 0, we get 0, 0. 0 plus 1 is 1 and carry 0. Again, 1 plus 0 is sum 1, carry 0. However, when we add 1 and 0, so it's basically 1 plus 1. Decimal number 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And what is 2 in its binary form is 1, 0. Hence, 1, 0. Another thing that we need to take care of is if it's 1 plus 1 plus 1, where this 1 is basically my carry. So in the decimal form, we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. And 3 in its binary form is written as 1, 1. Hence, if we have 1, 1 and 1 as carry, then the answer is going to be 1, 1. Let's understand this better by solving few questions. Let's take, we have our very first sum as 1, 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. So when we add 1, 1, let me quickly write the rules over here again. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. We had sum as 0, carry as 0, sum as 1, carry as 0, sum as 1, carry as 0, sum as 0, carry as 1. So, looking at the rules on the right hand side, we have 1 plus 1, where the sum is equal to 0 and the carry is equal to 1. Now, we have 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that is 1, 2, 3. So 3 is written as this, where 1 is a carry. And then 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 is just brought down. So we have 1, 1, 1, 0 as my answer, where this is my carry and this is my sum. Let's try solving another question. We have 1, 1, 1, 1 in addition with 1, 1, 0, 1. So here again we have 1 plus 1, which is 2. 2 in its binary form is written as 1, 0. So we have 1 as carry, 0 as sum. Again 1 plus 1 plus 0, that is 2. 2 is 1, 0. Again 1 plus 1 plus 1, where 1 is in the carry. So we have 3, that is written as 1, 0. Again 1 as carry. So it's 1, 2, 3, again 3. And we have one more 1 over here, which is my carry. So the whole thing is my sum. So the addition of my binary numbers are pretty straightforward. You just have to remember the truth table of its addition. Let's move forward to the subtraction of the binary numbers. So for the subtraction of the binary numbers, we have to understand again its truth table and how the subtraction works. So we have A, B, A minus B and the borrow. So let's have four combinations because 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. We have, now when it's 0, 0, we have 0 and the borrow is again 0. 0 minus 1. So it's practically just think in terms of its decimal. We are subtracting 1 and 0. So we are moving 1 from 0. So it's 0 minus 1, we take a borrow from 1 and the answer is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1 and the borrow is 0. And 1 minus 1 is 0, 0. So if you know how to subtract simple decimal, it is very simple to understand how to subtract a binary number. So 0, 0 is 0, 0 and 1 minus 1 is also 0, 0. Here 0 minus 1 is basically 0 minus 1. So the answer is 0 and we take a borrow of 1. Let's understand this better with the help of some examples. Here we have 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. We are subtracting it with 1, 1, 0, 0. Now 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 is, the answer is 0 and the borrow is 1 from the table that we saw earlier. So now we will borrow 1 from whom? From the digit which is on the left hand side. So we have 1. So we are going to borrow 1 from 1. So if you borrow 1 from 1 itself, what is remaining with it is 0. And the borrowed 1 gets added over here. Now 1, 0 is basically 2. So 1, 0 in its binary form and decimal form is 2. So what we are actually doing is 1, 0, that is 2 minus 1 is 1. Hence my answer here is 1 and then 0. Is that clear? Let's try another example. Here we have 1, 1, 0, 0 minus 1, 0. So again 0 minus 0 is 0. Now 0 minus 1. Again 0 minus 1, the answer A minus B is 0 and my borrow is 1 whenever we have 0 and 1. So we are going to borrow the 1 from here. What is remaining in this one is 0. The borrowed 1 comes over here. Again 1, 0 is basically 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. This 0 is as it is, and here because there's no number is basically 0 is added. So 1 minus 0 is 1 and hence my answer is 1, 0, 1, 0. To check if your answer is correct or no, we can write this also in the decimal form. So we have 1, 1, 0, 0 which is 8, 4, 2, 1. So 8 plus 4 is 12 and this is 2. So 12 minus 2 is equal to 10 and 10 in its binary form is written as 1, 0, 1, 0. Here we have its decimal form 10 and this is my answer. So hence the answer is correct. Let's try another question. We have 1, 1, 1, 0 and subtracted by 1, 1, 1. So the very first digit we have 0 minus 1. Again the answer is 0 and we have to borrow 1. So we have borrow 1 from here and give it 1 and 1, 0 is 2. So I'm just going to write 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Now moving to the next decimal, we have 0, 1. So again 0 minus 1 is, you have to borrow 1 from here. 1 gets added here. This is basically 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Again the same thing is over here. 0 minus 1 is, we need to borrow 1. So we borrow a 1 from here. 1 gets borrowed here. 1, 0 is basically 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. And then the 0 is written as it is. So again, if you want to check if your answer is correct, so 1, 1, 0, 0, we have 1, 1, 1, 0. This is basically on the 8, 4, 2, 1 rule. So we have 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0, which is equal to 8 plus 4, 12 plus 2, 14. So we have 14 minus 7, which is equal to 7, and again we get our 7. To check if it's 7, this is again 8, 4, 2, 1 rule. So we have 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 7, and hence 7, and hence my answer is correct. To be comfortable with addition and subtraction of a binary number, All you need to be very careful are the rules. If you know the rules at the back of your hand, it's very easy to apply the rules and follow the addition and subtraction. In the next video, we will be discussing how to multiply and divide binary numbers. So don't forget to watch the video. With this, we come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, happy learning.